You should go through appendix. There are some isometrics, so some piping settings form. So some over here in defaults, you have this direction display, right? When you create component, sorry, let me press escape and make this as current branch. So when you modify, you have said this direction display, right? And suppose this one. So the north is being shown here in this from like this is ISO 3 direction, but you can right click, you can change the direction. So ISO 2, so north can be and it will and whenever you click a plane, so you can go back. So this is 3D, right? 3D power wheel. First of all, you can change the direction by right click anywhere and right east west, you can align it, right? Okay, it's can be aligned. And then if you click any of these 4 planes, so these are 4 quadrants. So it will pick that relevant plane and display only those axes. See, right? And you can go back anytime here. You can rotate in this plane, right? So this is one thing. And you can set the default direction in piping settings form, like this one. How should it appear? So whatever you set here, it will come here. And minimum tube distance, auto align, auto create should be checked by default or not. Select adjacent out of spec, allowed skip connected components. So these checkboxes which appear at the bottom, what should be their default value? Non-standard branch connection, no restriction, only allow from specification or allow from tapping default. So pipe branch, sort piping branch list, auto create gasket or flange at branch end. So this should be by default add or not. So description, whatever description appears over here should be full, only rtext, stext or cat reference. Tag components, like this is tagging components, tag constraints, auto reconnect on reselection, reconnect free ends, ignore position. So a couple of defaults are over here. So you can set the user experience from piping defaults. Okay. And
Hi, Harry.
yes,
Uh,
please.
can you explain when I use the property?
Yeah.
The property have a specify object selection mode and initial new object selection. Yeah, what's different? And
Mm.
specify option selection mode. Yeah, can you explain these 3 model?
1 second. I'm not really getting, but in property,
Yeah, these
these two.
two button. Yeah.
Okay, so here it is. If it is displaying one over here, this means this is single selection mode. So
Yes.
you can either select one at a time. When you don't press control, it will select one at a time. But if you select multiples at a time, so you do not need to press control. It will without my left hand is up. I'm not pressing any control. And if you select single selection mode, it will just select one at a time. Right. So you can see once you press escape. So now if I see, Yeah, only selecting one at a time. So T elbow, you can see, okay, it is some issue over here. See.
Yeah.
So this is single selection mode and multi-selection mode.
Yeah. Okay.
And then if you want to initiate a new object selection, discarding the old one, click on this. So it will discard the old one. So since this is single selection mode,
Yeah.
right?
Oh.
Anything else?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Any more questions? See, that insulation break is explained over here, spec break attribute in the appendix. See, adding tracing. Checker admin. They have given some design checker administration overview also. So this is done from admin tab. Okay, so we are done with the piping course. If you want, I can stay and you practice, or we can finish the course early. You practice it, and then maybe when we next meet for, I think next training will be for structure. So structure, there will be a different trainer, but I will meet you in reporting training. So I will take over from the reporting training, and thereafter equipment modeling, supports, and further all the trainings I will take. I just want to check with Eric whether have you installed SQL Express for the Clash Manager training?
Not yet, not yet. I
Okay,
will send the instruction next week.
okay, so you know how to install, right? You need any help?
Mm-hmm.
You can install SQL Express and SQL Management Studio with it.
Yeah, I think I will. Yeah.
Okay. So if you need any help, you can drop me email. You can
Okay.
use 2016 or 17 Express Edition.
So is that which version is recommended?
2016 or 17, both will be okay,
Oh, okay, okay, thank you.
right?